Alright, in this video we are going to be covering Google Sheets. So Google Sheets, it says it's spreadsheets and you can create, edit, and collaborate wherever you are for free. So it's like Google Docs, except for it's just a spreadsheet. So let's see some of the features here. So make it count. Google Sheets makes your data pop pop with colorful charts. Where did I get beautiful? Colorful charts and graphs, built-in formulas, pivot tables, and conditional formatting options save time and simplify common spreadsheet tasks, all for free. Alright, get to your spreadsheets anywhere, anytime. Once again, like most of Google stuff, you can download an app for your phone or tablet so you can take everything on the go. Do more together. Google Sheets, everything can work together in the same spreadsheet at the same time. So this is exactly like Google Docs. You can invite people to share, to work with it, to work on at the same time. There can be edits in real time. You can chat, comment inside the document with your collaborators. Once again, like Google Docs, changes are saved automatically as you type, and you can see a revision history to see old versions of the same spreadsheet sorted by date who made the changes. So once again, so you can see who's done what work. So this is compatible with Microsoft Excel files. You can convert Excel files to Google Sheets and vice versa, and you don't have to pay for it. Offline, no problem. You can access your spreadsheets from wherever you are, even without Signal. Just enable offline editing. Do more with add-ons. You can download add-ons to add functionality to your spreadsheet. So let's go to Google Sheets. Choose the first one. So let's go to Sheets if you're on a computer. Alright, no spreadsheet yet. Click the plus to create a new spreadsheet. Alright, so right here it says recent spreadsheets. Obviously, if we would have made some already, that would have popped up. If you click this right here, we can do doc sheet slides. Like this is just organize how all the stuff looks if you have it. So let's click on this plus here in the bottom right hand corner. Alright, we see we have a spreadsheet. So, well, first things first, we can just, if you just click once, or actually, yeah, just once. You click twice if you want. But, so we can put in text, numbers, doesn't matter. So let's just do a real simple example. So let's put, let's say 2 in this one, and if you hit enter, you'll go down 1. If you hit tab, you'll go over to the right. So tab button is to the right, enter is down. Alright, so let's put 2 here. And so let's do 2 plus 2 equals 4. So right here in the 3 column, let's, this symbol right here, I do believe, that is a function symbol. And this is how you can do addition, subtraction, stuff like that. So if we choose sum, so it says sum, I don't know if you can see it, so I'm just going to make it bigger. There we go. So it says sum, and it's wanting values. Now you could enter in the values, so A1, A2, or you can just click, hold left click and drag to the cells you want, and then click and drag, and hit enter, and it gave us 4. And this can be updated too, so if we put 3, let's change to 5, 0, or blank would be the same. Alright, so let's zoom out. Alright, so this is just like Google Docs. We have new, where we can make new document spreadsheet presentations. Open to open up different Google Sheets. Rename, that just lets you rename the title. See it changed to right here. Make copy, we can move these to folders inside our Google Drive and trash it. We can import, click on that. We can bring in stuff from the Google Drive. See revision history, that just shows us different versions that have been worked on, and we notice it shows, so it says my name, and it's green right here, so everything that's green is what I've done. Spreadsheet settings, it's just where you're at, calculation. Download as, you can download it as a Microsoft Excel file, OpenOffice PDF, pretty much any format you need. Email collaborators or as an attachment, and we can print. Alright, so we have the print button right here. We have undo, just Control Z. We have redo, just Control Y. We have paint format. So what that should do is, so let's paint this. So what that did right there is, you notice these are blank, right? So this cell, zoom up, this cell right here has sum A1 and A2. So it's a sum of these right here. So if you do the paint format, all that does is make the other cells, so you click and drag, that just makes all the other cells you click and drag on it have the same properties as this one. So it's got the sum of like that. So if we add stuff here, well, E's not going to work. You notice it'll change with us. Alright, format is currency, so let's say we're dealing with money. Click that. Make it like $1. Or we can do it as a percent. So we can decrease the decimal place or increase it. And more formats, so we have scientific, financial, that currency, that date, time. There are even more formats, so you can make your own. There's more currencies, more date and time formats. We have our text right here, font, so you can choose what you want it to look like. Not too many fonts, but probably all you need. Font size. If it's too big, you can click up here, this will be at the top, drag, or if you double click, it'll automatically, if you double click right here, it'll automatically resize it to for it to fit. We have a bold, italicized, stripe through, and text color. It's not offensive to the eyes. Alright. Now we have fill color, so that'll just make the cell this color. Golly, that's bright too. That's a little better. Alright. We have borders, so if we'd like to give our cell border, we can. Notice how this is black now on the edges. So we have an alignment. You can see that on a nifty thing. So left, middle, center, and right. We have an alignment. Just aligns it either the bottom, the middle, or the top. And we have text wrap. We have too much stuff. Oops. Some more. We have insert a comment like, hey, I think these numbers are wrong. Comment on that. Somebody can reply, bro, these are letters. Zoom out some. Reply again, oh, I'm sorry. You're right. So after that, let's say you're, like I said, hey, these might be wrong. The other person explains himself. No, it's okay. This is why. Okay, okay, you're right. So we can resolve it. That means we don't have an issue anymore. Outside, out of mind. Alright. So chart. Insert chart. So we can turn our data into a chart. Ooh, excuse me. Alright. So we can select our data range. So if we click this right here, You can choose all what we're going to include in our chart. We can switch rows and columns. I'll use row 1 as the header. So it's recommending we use this as a chart, but we can do more if we'd like. I like pi. Pi is good. So let's do. Oh, so it'll even let you know if the chart you're trying to use is not compatible. So for customize, you can give the chart a name and the font color and all that good stuff. Alright, so let's choose insert, and we have a chart. So we can edit that chart area. So all this stuff here, we can. Oh, so we click that, it says edit the part of the chart you want to, click the part you want to edit. And if we right click this chart, we can choose more options to edit. Alright, and now the last one we have is a filter, create a new filter view. That means we can just filter out certain results. Alright, and that should do it for Google's spreadsheet, whose name evades me right now. Google Sheets, there we go. Alright.